Recovering deleted messages on Grubhub can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Open the Grubhub app and navigate to the Messages section. Look for any archived messages or folders that might contain your deleted messages. Sometimes, messages are not fully deleted but moved to an archive. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for Grubhub, check your email inbox for any messages related to your orders or communications. You may find important information that was sent via email. Step 3. Contact Grubhub support. Reach out to Grubhub customer support through the app or their website. Explain your situation and ask if they can assist you in recovering your deleted messages. They may have access to your message history. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly backup your device, check your backup settings. Depending on your device, you may be able to restore your Grubhub app data from a previous backup that includes your messages. Step 5. Keep future messages safe. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider taking screenshots or saving important information in a separate note-taking app. This way, you can keep track of essential communications. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages or at least prevent future losses. Always remember to back up important information regularly.